a very harsh environment out there. Like where we live, we only get about 800 mils of rain a year. So yeah, it's very tough on the water side of things out on the homestead. So yeah, we've been struggling a lot, trying to keep the plants alive, just trying to get really ahead. But yeah, but slowly but surely we're getting there. We're slowly growing. Like the house is starting to look better. The gardens are starting to get a bit better now. We've got a trailer now where we've got the IBC tank on and we cart water with. So yeah, we actually can cook now in an oven, stove and oven. Just remember to subscribe, give us a follow, share it out. Doesn't cost nothing to do it, but it helps us to keep going. Every comment, every like, every view shows us that we're doing something great. So we're very much appreciative of what you do for us.